4 already. Let's do this. Hello guys, welcome to episode 4 of my survival series. Today we are going to finally finish my cow farm and check out the village that I saw over there. At some point I might get my friend on because he really wanted to, but why was it so loud? Okay. Yeah, because he really wanted to, but it was a bit annoying, but I might be able to. I already have a stack of sugar cane. Yay! Yep, okay, so that's really good. That's like going even more. Okay. Now we're just going to get some leather. Okay, so over here I saw a village a while ago. Not really a while ago, it's like the last video. So yeah. So over here there was a village past the plains biome. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna sleep there. But I need to. Okay, why is everything lagging? Finally. Okay. So it's over here. Bridge. Die. Spider. Okay, so yep, there it is. There. I can go and kidnap some of the people there and force them to trade with me for really low prices. But that'll take a lot of time, so I might do that later. Okay, I just need to run and get there quickly. Or I die of anything. Ah, there's so many things. Oh, look at that. Oh, he has an iron sword. Whoa, what is this lag? My frames are like 2. Okay, so hi, I need to sleep. Thank you. Ooh, I got an arrow right to the leg. How that works? Eat. Thank you. Good sir. Bye. The rest of it's up. A tiger biome or like something else? Okay. Okay, this will give me a lot of. Usually they're 9. So 180 over 90. Hello there. Nitwit, and you don't have a job. This is like the worst one village ever. I don't think any of them have jobs. Yet none of them do. I'm sad. But I'm not good enough to get that. Oh, just kill the iron golem and then, yeah, I'll have enough. You can never mine the rest of it up. Okay, up. Okay, one person has a job. That is good. But they're literally surviving off him and him alone. Wait, you can actually, like, get... Yeah, you can get... When you get master, you can get, wooden mansion mats. So I'm gonna keep you. I didn't mean to do that, but now you're not gonna like me, so you have to die. He just shattered his ankles. Okay, hello there, Mr. Cow. You are mine now. He. I don't have. Okay, that's fine. Shaboom. Whoa, dude, you love me now. Okay. Come on down. Thank you. Do. Me and my friend. His name is Cow. Yeah, Cow. Yeah, this is so much easier than just using hay. Because you drag them instead of them having to follow you willingly. Okay, yeah, there you go. So now I can actually see the lead gets attached. He's just getting dragged along with me. Oh yeah, this is so much faster. Sheesh. Well, I might as well get you too. Welcome to the family. Did I leave you? Yes, I did. Okay. Okay, yeah, going up hills you have to be slower. Because if they get caught on a block, then it will like break. I'll drag you through the water. Just getting dragged. Yeah, this is so much better than before. I wish I did this in the first place. come on up. Say hello to your new friends. Okay. Make child. Child. Okay. For that we have accomplished. Okay, I have quite a lot of wheat. Into the cellar you go. Okay, so I do not want these. Back in you go. Okay, so good. I'm gonna get more, and then I'm just gonna feed them. Just get a, yeah. Yeah, 50 wheat. This will not be enough because baby cows, they eat so much and they just do not grow. Where's the child? Feed the child. Damn, bro. Sheesh. But you know what? I'm gonna be a nice owner and I'm going to make it bigger. At least, like, put something in there at some point. Not now. Okay. 52 paper. Hello there, Mr. Cow. Okay, well, that's good. Very good, yes. I'm gonna put signs or item frames, but I don't have that kind of a letter. Okay. Steel wheel. Oh yeah, one up here. Okay. Make some signs. Oh yeah, 12's enough. I think it's, yeah, it is 12. Potatoes. Golden. Carrots. Wheat. Bread. Seeds. Meat. Yeah, I'll go cook you now. If I can. Cook. Have you grown? Yes, you have. Okay. Time for everyone to get fed. Feed the child. Oh, come on. Wait, I'll go do more of the farm. Yeah. Potato. Potato. How many blocks is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have a 9 by 9 block. Okay, I'm gonna move. Okay, so I'm just gonna make an area underneath. Never mind. To there, and then I'll put water here. Yeah, look. Fertilization. Okay, now I want seeds. Oh. Well, doing it later again. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Gonna make like a patio. So, did I burn all of them? Probably. Well, fences and wool. Get him right in the middle. Fence. Wool with string underneath it. Yeah, so I just need enough string. Yeah, I'll make a bow, and then I don't need the rest of the string. Didn't want to do that. So, yeah, then I have the rest of the string that I don't need. I can use that. I also need wool. It's almost out, so I saw sheep over there. Okay, I'm just gonna shear them. I'm not gonna bring them home because I don't want to go through this with them. So I can just do it by myself. What the? Yoink. Just got logged. Open up molds. I have found the sheep. The sheep. Yoink. Hello there. Where was it? I saw it. There you are. Okay. But there. Where is it? Chicken. Okay, what is he even doing up there? Okay. Now I will look for even more. Up, there's some over there. Okay, that didn't work at all. Bar. Okay. 13 wool, that is good. Yeah, skill. Nyeh, nyeh, nyeh. Okay. Yeah, yes. Okay, now we just get back home. Oh, I'm hungry. Eat 'em up. So, life. So after this, I will make the umbrella. Yeah, I'm making an umbrella, like for the patio balcony thing. So there's 2 stairs, like the long chairs that you have, like hotels have. Beach chairs, I think. Yeah, they're long, and then like there's an umbrella in between both of them. Looks cool. Yeah. Need red dye. Luckily, I have red dye. I have the flowers. I don't have to do that. But yeah, I want one, and I also want some white carpet, like 6 white carpet. I turned 3 of them red. Can you not? How do you dye carpet? Oh, can you not dye carpets? Do you need to turn them red and then do it? Yeah, okay. Great. String. Where did I put the string? String. Eh? Where did I put? Oh, I put it up there. I want to put it up there. Boom. Boom. Now I just need more. More. I need more string. Okay, spiders, where are you? Please. Oh, okay. water MLG. Let's go. Red. Get wheat. Ah. Hello there. Make children for me. Yes. Oh, my empire. There's 2 more children. Okay, well that's a good place to end off, I think. Okay. So, hopefully this will be a shorter video than normal. But, that was episode 4. Well, really episode like 3.5, but you have to make do. And like and subscribe, please.